to learn estimating the product. We are using estimation in our daily life many times. For example, we have to estimate the budget. What we used to do? We used to estimate by rounding off the number to the zero. Okay, like that. Only we used to round off to the tens, hundred or thousand place, and then we estimate the product. Sometime when we have to check our answer, maybe we have done some calculation. Now we want to check an answer. There also we used to estimate the product, because whenever we want to get an answer in our fingertips, we used to estimate it. So here we will, and by this we are doing calculation very fast. So we are using for faster calculation. So today we will learn how to estimate the product. So a very simple rule is this, that we will estimate the number to the higher place value. That is the simplest rule. So if it is a 4,230, then we will estimate, we will round off this number to 1000 place value, and then we will multiply with any number. For example, I am giving you here, we have to estimate the product of 715 and 38. Here it is not asking actual product. There is a difference between actual and estimated. It is approximately equal to the answer, because sometimes in objective question also it helps us. Maybe we are calculating and there is no time, so it is better to estimate, and then we will match our answer with the all four options which is nearby. Like that it is helping us. So it is not actual, it is only approx. Approx means similar, nearby, not actual. Okay, not it is. So we can show it by this sign. So we have to estimate means actual value we will not find, we will find the estimated product. So first of all, what we are doing, just now I said the rule, we have to round it off to the highest place value. So first we will round off that multiplicate and multiplier both. Both we will round off, this multiplicate and this multiplier. The multiplicate, it is of 100, highest place value is 100. 715 it is now, so highest place value is 100. So we will round off this number to 100 place. And we know the rule of rounding off. Whenever to which place we have to round off, we will see the next place of it. Right hand side. Means we have to round off to this place, 100 place. So we will see the number which is just right hand, nearby of this number, just right of it. What is just right of this 7? That is 1. And 1 is, now we will find this number is equal to 5, more than 5 or less than 5. Only 3 things we have to find. Is it equal to 5, more than 5 or less than 5? If it is less than 5, we will not increase the number. So the number will be as it is. It will not increase by 1. But if it is equal to 5 or more than 5, then the number will increase by 1. Means we will add 1 to that number. So here 1 is less than 5. No need to increase the number. So it will be 700 only. And now we have to round off this 38 also. What is the highest place value of 38? Tens is the highest place value now. So we will round to the tens place. And we will see the number which is just right of it, means the number which is in ones place. What is in ones place? 8. And 8 is greater than 5. And when the number is greater than 5, we have to add 1 to the number which is in tens place. Or we have to increase the number by 1. So here we can write 40. Now we will find the product of these two numbers. And you are very smart. When the number is ending with 0, we are multiplying the digit leaving the 0. So here we will leave this 0 and this 0 and only we will multiply 7 and 4. 7 4s are 28. After that, we will add the total number of zeros which is in left hand side of equal sign. You can find here how many. Count the number of zeros. 1, 2 and 3. So we will write here 3 zeros. So this is the estimated product of 715 and 38. That is 28,000. Like that, you can estimate the product of any number. Only we have to round it off to the highest place value of it. And according to the question also, what it will be given like that, only you will estimate. If it is given that you have to round off to the 10th place and then you estimate, you have to round off to the 100th place, then you estimate, then you follow the instruction. Otherwise, simply we are rounding to the highest place value and then we are finding the product. Here is one example of your book only, that find the product of 348 and 42. And then you find its actual product also and you find its estimated product also, and then you please find out what is the difference between it. How much difference is in between the actual product and estimated product. So first we will find here estimated product. Then we will find here actual product. And then we will find the difference. This is the question number 3. That we have to find the estimated product, actual product, and then we have to find the difference. Already in the question it is given the estimated product is 14,000. You can also see, because we will round this number to the 400 and this to the, not 400, sorry. We will round this number to the 300 because we will see the just right of 3 is 4, which is less than 5. No need to increase the number. So it will be 300 into, here we will round it off to the 40. So the product will be 1200. Okay? And then we will find the actual product also. Now you find the actual product here. 348 into 42. Now you know the multiplication by 2-digit number. Stepwise you will multiply. 8 to the 16, 1 you will carry. 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9. 3 to the 6. When you are multiplying by the digit in the tens place, first you are putting 0 in the ones place, then you will start in the same way. 4 8s are 32, 3 you will carry, 4 4 is 16, plus 3, 19, 1 you will carry, and 4 3 is 12, plus 1, 13. Now we will add both the product here, 6 plus 0, 6, 9 plus 2, 11, net is 16, 4, and then 1. This is the actual product and this is the estimated product. Now we have to find the difference. Here is 30, 1, 2, 30, so we have to put 30. So we have to find the difference of it. You find the difference. difference is equal to 14,616 minus 12,000. So the difference is 2,616. Very much now. The difference is in thousand. So if we are finding the estimation of the product, okay, finding the estimated product by rounding to the highest place value, we will be very far from the actual product. And if we will round to the tens place, then we will be nearby of it. And in the question, they had rounded off to the tens place only, not went to the this 100 place, and they find the estimated product. You can see here in the question how they find the estimated product. It is given 14,000. Estimated product of this is 14,000. So they estimated it to the tens place. So it will be 350, and then here it is 40. So it will be 40. So the answer we can do in a fingertip also. 40. That is only the goodness of the estimation. We can calculate in our finger only. So we will leave the 0 and only we will multiply the digits. We will multiply 35 into 4. 5 4s are 20. 4 3s are 12. 14. This is the product of 35 and 4. Then we will add 2 0 in the right hand side of it. You can see here 1 and 2 zeros is there, 1 and 2. So the estimated product of 348 and 42 in the question is given 14,000. And it is not very far away from the actual product. So today we have learned how to find the estimated product of any number. Okay, how to estimate the product of any number we have learned today. That's all for today.